What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, you're gonna get a special treat. You're gonna get an inside look at some new tools and offerings from Milwaukee Tool. And how are you gonna get that inside look? Well, we traveled all the way to Milwaukee, Wisconsin for their NPS event for 2019, so you didn't have to.
I am AJ Johnson and I work on our concrete power tools here at Milwaukee. And today I'm super excited to talk to you about our brand new M18 FUEL 9-inch cutoff saw with one key. Now, Milwaukee tries to be that cordless, innovative solutions provider from the time your readers and viewers wake up in the morning to the time they go to bed at night. And this can be another fantastic solution in that day. Now, this is going to also prove that Milwaukee is the world leader in cordless technology, and we continue to change the game, all while staying true to those M18 users, not leaving anyone behind. Now, this tool is going to be able to have the power to cut reinforced concrete, as well as a huge host of other materials found on the job. It's going to be able to do this while being up to 50% lighter than the gas saws common on the marketplace today. And it's going to have none of those gas headaches that everyone hates. So no mixing gas and oil, no engine maintenance. We can do demos like this inside because there's no gas engine fumes. And even in our lovely Wisconsin winters, you can start this tool up instantly. Whereas with gas engines, I'm sure we've all known, they're hard to start up sometimes, especially when it's cold out. All right. So, another super common application we see on site is cutting into rebar. Now, this tool's gonna be able to do about 70 cuts in 5/8 inch rebar. What do we think? Not bad?
Yeah. That's awesome. That's awesome.
All right, I do have a few features I want to point out here, and then hopefully we can get somebody to come up and try it. Now, this does have your onboard water delivery system here with the common hose quick connect. And if you pair it with our M18 switch tank system, you actually can get a full cordless concrete cutting solution. The only one on the market. Because the M18 battery that runs this tool can also run that one.
You pop that open?
Sure. Yeah, so you do have our M18 battery is in our sealed battery compartment here to protect it from water and slurry and stuff like that. So you know that your battery is being protected. We also do have a rapid stop blade brake on here, shutting that blade down in about 3 seconds or less after you release the trigger.
Post. Show it.
Sure. So it's also going to have one key integrated, as you can see here. It's just going to be that tool tracking and management, but it does make it part of the industry's largest tool tracking network. Now it's going to be $5.99 bare tool and about $8.99 for a kit with two 12 amp hour batteries in it. Two, that's right. And we're looking to ship in about October.
Cool.
Now, who wants to give it a shot? All right.
Really?
Which one do you want?
Both.
Both? Okay, yeah. So we got earmuffs here if you'd like. And then otherwise you just turn the knob here for your water.
Okay. That's got good torque. Alright, I'm going to do something you shouldn't do with a concrete saw, and I'm going to force it, right? Because they're all going to torque out. That's pretty good.
So yeah, I would not recommend you do that. We actually do have a light on this tool here. That's what we call our overload indicator light. If you are pushing a bit too hard on the saw, this will light up. kind of telling you to pull it back a bit, as it definitely did there. But it can make the cut. You just will get obviously less runtime and on your battery, and it might stall out on you. Now this is going to be kitted with our M18 high output 12 amp hour batteries, but it'll work on, of course, any M18 battery that exists in the marketplace today. And of course, the battery that operates this tool operates over 200 plus other tools on the M18 system.
I'm extremely excited this year to announce the new circular saw that is joining the M18 family. With our power state brushless motor, our brand new electronics package customized to this tool, as well as the high output 12 amp hour battery, we have achieved 15 amp corded power on a single 18 volt tool. Second, not only does it have to get through the most difficult of applications, it needs to do so quickly. At 5,800 RPMs, we are faster than all corded units in the field and have consistently received feedback from end users that this is the fastest, smoothest tool that they've gotten their hands on yet. Finally, we know when end users cut the cord and move from corded to cordless, their number one concern is runtime. On a 12 amp hour battery, we have achieved 570 cuts into 2x4s, which is more than enough to get end users through their typical day. Like AJ said, it's optimized for the high output 12 amp hour battery, but you are more than welcome to throw any M18 pack you own today into this tool and you will get runtime that you've never seen before. It's got the corded power, right? Isn't that great, everyone? Yeah. So it's got the corded power, cordless platform, unlike any of our cordless competitors. We've got a left-mounted blade on this. This is optimal for end users because they'll get line of sight. An LED light. Your corded units do not have this today. For able to light up the work or job site. Backside, we've got a rafter hook. Hang on common job site materials such as LVL or 2x4. And then finally, we've got an electronic brake that will stop within moments of you letting go of that trigger. This is a huge safety win compared to those corded units that are out in the field today. And then the last thing to touch on is this is maintenance free. No oil needed on those gears. This is a big win. This knows that your tool will survive on and off the job site for several years to come. Any questions?
Can you show the brake?
Yep. Pretty fast, right? This is also going to launch in July of this year, so very, very quickly. It's going to be $269 bare tool, $449 kit with a 12 amp hour battery.
I'm going to push it. All right, now I'm going to go easy. So that's a 45.
Yep.
All right, nice.
This year we were really excited to introduce kind of what's seen as the crown jewel of the benchtop space, and that's the dual bevel sliding 12-inch miter saw. Clearly, it's on the M18 system, and this thing really, really packs a punch. When we went out, we continue to talk to people about what they're looking for out of their 12-inch power. It's clearly one of the first things they talk about. Big 15-amp corded motors used to cut big stock like pressure-treated 4x6 or even solid hardwood for more finish application. We wanted to make sure we could deliver on that performance, and we feel like we have utilizing the fuel technology that we've got in this saw. But beyond performance, we wanted to look a little bit deeper into what people saw as kind of the issues with their current corded saws. And one thing we saw a lot of is people picking up these 60 to 70 pound tools and having to drag them on and off a job site every single day. Now miter saws clearly aren't being picked up and moved around like you would with a cordless drill or maybe your cordless Sawzall, but being cordless inherently means more portable, so we wanted to focus on that. This tool is 15% lighter than the leading corded 12-inch miter saw in the marketplace today and weighs in under 50 pounds. So really, really impressive, looking to make sure we're saving the backs and the muscles of the professional contractors out on the site. Runtime's also a big piece here. When you're asking people to cut the cord, they're always worried about, can I get enough work done on a single charge? With our 12 amp hour battery, we're going to deliver 330 cuts on a 3 1/4 inch baseboard, so plenty to keep a guy busy all day. If you got multiple users working on a saw, it's part of the M18 system, so you can just swap packs and keep on running. You don't have to worry about any downtime. Obviously, accuracy is really important with miter saws. We paid a ton of attention to it, so from machined bases, tables, and fences to stainless steel, adjustable miter detent plates, this thing is full of things to make sure it's accurate. We've also been able to pack a bunch of features into this, like our shadow line LED, to make sure you can see exactly where the tool is going to enter the work material and get a quick, efficient lineup to make your cut. We've also included OneKey. So OneKey is obviously our digital tracking and asset management software. Very much like the table saw, this is going to allow you to connect to your tool. You can lock it out if you have to leave the job site. You're going to be able to add it to your inventory, track your receipts when you purchase products, as well as make sure that if it walks off the job site or ever gets lost, you can use the tracking function to try to find it. So. Smooth. Like I said, tons of power out of a single M18 pack and plenty of runtime to keep everybody productive on the site. So. Sweet. How about it? Sweet, he said. So there's a question about dust extraction. So on the back of this tool, obviously we have your dust bag. This one's pretty full. We're creating a lot of dust here, so this is plump full. Just show you guys how much dust we really can collect. But we have a multi-sized dust port here as well. So this is going to fit all your common vac sizes. So 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 7/8. So regardless of what you've got for hose size, you should be good to go to plug it into this if you want to have above average dust collection with a vacuum.
Cool.
It's going to be November this year, November. So we still got a little bit. If you guys want, like everybody said, we're going to have hands-on time. So please come back around. We'll walk through anything you want.
Yeah.
$6.99 bare, $8.49 kit with a 12-0.
You know what everybody wants for Christmas this year.
Everybody wants this for Christmas this year.
60 degrees to both sides?
50 and 60. 50 left, 60 right.
Okay.
What up? Wow, that was amazing. And if you like new and amazing tool offerings, then smash the like button. Also, let us know. What do you think about what's going on here at MPS 19 down in the comment section below? Were all of your dreams and visions met? Or did they forget something? Let us know down in the comment section below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. I gotta get back to my workout. Yeah! Woo! Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.